In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add font awesome icons in Figma in just 5 minutes. We'll walk through this process step by step, so even if you're new to Figma, you'll be able to follow along easily. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to Figma's website. If you haven't done so already, now is a great time to log into your account. Simply click the login button you'll see on the homepage and sign in with your credentials. If you're not familiar with Figma, it's a collaborative interface design tool that's perfect for creating anything from stunning web designs to intricate app interfaces. Once you've logged in, you'll need to head over to your Figma home. This is where you'll find all your current projects and drafts. Click on the home button located at the top of your screen. It's like your digital workspace, and everything you're currently working on can be accessed here. Next, move over to the design section within Figma. This is where the magic happens. Clicking design will bring you to the interface where you can create and edit your projects. You may already have a project open, and that's great. Otherwise, you might want to open a new file or one of your existing projects to work in. In this step, look for the panel or menu with options, usually located on the left part of your screen. Find and click on the Action button. If you've used Figma plugins or extensions before, this is quite similar. The action menu is where we'll initiate the process to add our font awesome icons. After that, simply use the search function by typing in font awesome. Figma offers a range of plugins, and the search feature is handy in quickly locating what you need. Once you see font awesome icons in the list, click on it. This will open the plugin, allowing you to integrate those fantastic icons into your design. When the font awesome plugin is launched, you'll want to run it. This can be done by clicking the run button you'll find in the plugin window. Running the plugin activates it, enabling you to access its features right away. Finally, to actually add the icons to your Figma file, click on the apply button. This step finalizes the addition of the icons to your project. You can now explore and choose the icons you need. Incorporating these icons will elevate the look and functionality of your design with simple yet visually appealing elements. And that's it. By following these easy steps, you've successfully added font awesome icons to your Figma project. Feel free to play around with different icons and see how they enhance your design. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back soon for more quick and informative design tips.